look who's here for a friendly visit at 7:30 in the morning.
We're finished by 7:30. But we've got my new toy.
It's a car trying attachment.
Hey, you can't have a dry car.
Oh yeah, because it doesn't dry in the wind when you drive off or anything.
Oh, we can get shiny.
Shiny car tying attachment. Like,
Yeah.
Seriously. What do Milwaukee not make?
Obviously it doesn't
If
work
Milwaukee
on the
want to sponsor Mark for any reason, please,
I've
please
anything.
come forward. He is your biggest fan.
Everything Milwaukee.
I don't mind letting you down easy, but just give it time. If it don't hurt now, but just wait a while. You're not the big fish in the pond no more. You will wait.
Good morning, children. So this morning we have had 2 calves. How exciting. So we're going to AI some cows. We get these little slips like this, and it tells you which cow's on it and what bull that you're putting in. So that's a jersey we've picked with sex semen in it. And that little red thing there, believe it or not, is our thing semen, which is crazy. And it goes in this thing. This very shy gentleman that doesn't want to be on television. Oh, but look, that's professional, that is. That's professional. You're very tanned with your arms. Have you been on holiday?
Yeah.
So this is how easy AI in a cow is. As you can see, she's not restrained in any way whatsoever. I know people get quite concerned about this, especially the anti-farming movement. But like, she's not. She's just stood there. She's not bothered at all. And that's it. Done. Look at that. So that's AI done. Quick and easy. Absolutely amazing. So we are tidying up the pit. Okay. So here is the silage pit. It is not in the best condition, let's be fair. It's a little bit dusty, a little bit messy. There's a big pile of blend there. There's a couple of logs there. There's a trailer there. All of this needs moving. We then need to roll that sheet right back. Standard spec. I've come to Ralph's to get some silage sheet, and Roy got talking about cars, and they've gone off looking at a Discovery. So I'll just amuse myself, I think, around here, looking at tiny foot baths and troughs and ring feeders, little mangers. This is what YouTube videos become now, isn't it? Yes, there's the legs for a turnover trough. And a little sheep crush. I wish I had a little squeezy for my sheep. Very jealous. Oh, the absolute look at this. Oh yes. I could just see me with one of these. I really could. I'm going to petition to get one. That must be the little race that goes with it. Where are the ones on trailers? Is there none of them? You can get ones that go on trailers, can't you, that you can tow about? I want one of them. Very exciting. I'm just changing I'm putting the shade grab on the Bobcat, but we've just had another calf skin. It is a... Oh, hello. It's just popped out now this second. It is called VR Vimo, which is a Viking red. So I'll just shut her in here where it's nice and clean. Just give her a little bit of privacy for a moment. Actually, she just looks like she's taken herself off for privacy. I don't think there's actually any real need, to be fair. Welcome to Calving headquarters today. We've had 2 limmies and a Viking red. That's very exciting. Just lots and lots of calves to take off and cows to put through. Only a little calf, so just keeping an eye on her, just in case there is another one about to pop out, because we have had, as you've seen from the scanning, a spate of twins. I don't know whether semen, like sex semen inseminated, gives a higher chance of twins. I don't know, but I will keep an eye and see what the crack is.
Ain't it fun?
glorious morning of silaging. Crappy weather yesterday. It absolutely heaved it down all afternoon and into the night, which was absolutely not ideal for us. What's the grass like? Grassish. It is wet though, to be fair. It definitely needs a bit of drying. So we've pushed the silage back a little bit, just to allow for the grass to dry a bit more, get some wind through it. And obviously, as you can see right above my head, oh, it is in my head, the sun is out, so hopefully that'll get that a little bit. Chris has bought me a tractor to play in. Sorry, don't look at him. Don't look at him. Martin, look what I've got. That was very exciting. Seems a bit bad, like sitting in a tractor this new, watching that one there come up the field. Two of my late lambers have lambed last night, and I've just noticed when I'm stood watching silaging, oh, aviation updates, look at this bad boy. Are you ready? Where's he gone? What a legend. Anywho, two of my late lambers have lambed last night. Look at these big things. God, they're the size of the sheep. I thought, what? That lamb looks really white. That's what I thought. I thought it's huge. It can't be a fresh lamb. It's massive. It's not. It's just a massive single lamb. Two of them. Huge. Happy days. Now, I could have pretended that these sheepers hadn't escaped and weren't running round a silage field at the same time as the chopper. But why would I lie to you? Why would I? That's a song, isn't it? As long as they stay out the way of the actual front of it, I'm not too fussed, because to be fair, they can actually stay in here for a bit. Crops are really good. The grass is dry. Really nice, actually. Really, really nice. Far superior to what I thought it would be. I thought it would be a disaster. I'm going to stand here at this gate and I'm going to show you my favourite shot of silaging. So it is 4:10. The pit is fairly full. I'll take you down and show you in a second. I've been to pick the kids up, got something to eat. The rain has not come yet. There's just a few splatters on the windscreen a couple of minutes ago, but then absolutely nothing. But it is fair warm. It feels like, I don't know whether it feels just nice and warm or clatter up weather. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, fingers crossed it just holds off until we've done. We've not even gone down the river yet, and we've got to go to Bottom Road End. So I think it's going to be a late one, to be perfectly honest. There just is a fair lot of grass on. And then because of the rain, we started quite late. So I have a tractor to play around in, thanks to Cars Billington. They've just dropped it off, just on demo. I do not have that much money to spend. Just put that out there before anyone thinks that I do. I don't. Literally just a demo, just to mess around with and get on the video, just for fun. It is a brand spanking, brand new, beautiful, I think it's a 7S. It's 210 horsepower. It's got a Vario gearbox, which to me means absolutely nothing, but to you it might mean something. To me it means it's automatic. You don't have to change gears. It's like driving the car. It's great. And you can also, you can accelerate on a joystick. Like, what the hell is this? It's just crazy. It's like playing on a video game. The only bit I didn't get with it, that you go, what? The keys. Well, obviously I'm sat this way. The keys up here instead of with the steering wheel, which I found really strange. But there'll be a reason for it. I think it's probably because so many people have snapped keys, like banging it with the knees and stuff. That's why they put it up there. This is my fancy tractor to play around on. Chauffeur. Okay, so somebody has asked for a time lapse of the girls going in the robot. Now, honestly, if these cows didn't try and eat everything that you put near them, I would just stick you here, then you could see. But I think I'm gonna have to put you at that end up there because they are that naughty. They will eat my phone. There will be no phone left. I have a problemo. Excuse me. Look out. I have a cow stuck in a cubicle. She's absolutely fine. All she's done is shuffle too far forward that she can't get the lunge in to get up. So I just put a strap around her. Look how dirty I am. And get her up. I'll show you her. She's absolutely fine. So this is what she's done. She's shuffled too far forwards over the top of the brisket kind of board. And then if you look, she puts her head under. She can't get a lunge in because of her neck. So I'm just going to stick a strap around her and just pull her ever so slightly backwards. I'll video me doing it so you can see what I'm on with. And obviously I'm going to attract an audience because, you know, hashtag Jersey. Oh, go on then. Go on then. Cows up. Solid saved the day. Out of all the tractors we have on the farm right now this second, from the old to the new to the very expensive to the inexpensive, the Solis came through and saved the day. Oh my gosh, look at the road. It is so clear. How is that even an attempt to jump in it? Right, ready. It's got electric mirrors. It's like a really, really big toy. Roy can't even wait for us to finish silaging. He's on the slurry. No, not on us. Oh my god. So it is, I don't even know what time it is, 10 past 6 maybe? 10 past 6? And silage is up there. So silage is still ongoing. We've had some supper. I'll show you, I'll go in the pit in a bit. I'm just going to scrape the girls, make sure everybody's okay, look to see if there's any collect cows. What else am I going to do? Oh, anything that needs, there is nothing that needs treating, to be fair, today. Feed the calves and get jobs done up here, and then Roy is ready to feed us full. Roy's ready to run the feeder down, and they've not actually eaten up yet. If anybody was wondering how Lisa is, she is here. She has free reign of the whole entire farm, to be fair. I should get my sole ass on a silage trailer, shouldn't I? I can just imagine it. I mean, I think we could boss a little trailer, like maybe the quad bike one. I'd look the part, I think, like bombing about behind them lot. I just think I could do it. I have to go. So altogether, the silage is absolutely perfect. Grand. It looks mega. It literally is better than expected, because I expected it to be rubbish. That is a very, very good looking machine. Adam is here. This tiny little bit here. That'll be there, and that'll be there. Are the worst bits to do ever. Ever. Look at them. They're just the crappiest little... Oh. Sorry, I'm chewing sweets. My heart goes out to Ben. Poor Ben, having to do this. Yeah, Adam sprayed us with grass. I did try to ring you to ask if that was intentional or not, because if it was, I'm telling you now, I'm docking your pay.
Daydreaming all the time. Daydreaming into the night. Daydreaming all the time. Daydreaming into the night. And I'm alright. It's not that I no more. It's not enough.
Oh my god, I can't get up before Cal squashes me. And you might not see me because I'm so small. Oh, this looks mega cool.